Wow, nice.
Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. First of all, thank you so much all those who are watching my video right now. God bless you all. So guys, today I'm gonna do a review of my new phone gimbal that I bought from Flipkart with just 4,662 rupees. The price of this gimbal is only 4,000 plus. It's a budget friendly gimbal, but it comes with so many features like face tracking, time-lapse shooting, slow motion, and so many etc. So the gimbal name is M13XS Mark 1 smartphone stabilizer. First of all, let's do an unboxing. So guys, this is first of all this one. So it comes like this. This one is gimbal. Okay, and then the next is this one is tripod. This one like this, we can fix it like this. So this is a tripod stand. Okay, and the next one, this is for charging, this charging cable. Then next one is this one. This is a carry bag. You can just put it like this and carry. This is a carry bag. So let's check it out. Okay, I'll show you how to use. Okay, this battery mAh is 2500 and battery backup is 5 to 8 hours. Face tracking, time-lapse shooting, zoom in and out. To use this feature, we have to scan this and download, or else we can search Gimbal Play in Apple App Store or Play Store. So guys, first of all, we can open like this. Okay, and then next, to switch on this one is a power button. So okay, it's on now. And then next we have to connect Bluetooth. Okay, this Gimbal Play, and then we have to open it now. If you click this one time, this M mode, it will come in LF. Green light will come in LF here, LF. So this mode means if you do like this also, it will stay same only, it will not move. If you want to move left and right, then we have to click this 2 times, 1 2, then the light will come in HF, the second one, the second line, left and right like this. And the next mode I'll show you. Next mode is you have to click 3 times, 1 2 3. So if you click 3 times, then it will come in FPV mode. This one, we can move freely anywhere. No, it's free, like this. The next mode is this one, this joystick. So if you move like this, then it will turn like this joystick. Okay, up and down, up down, and then left right, this joystick of this one, guys. So guys, if we want to use circle mode, the roll mode, then we have to click here 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then the light will come in FPV mode. This mode. And this mode is for using this circle mode. To use horizontal mode, we have to click this button once. And if you want the turn vertical mode, then we have to click here only, power button 1. This one is for the zoom in and out. This button is for clicking photos, start video, and save the video. I'll show you a demo. So if you, this is in photo mode, okay. I'll show a demo. If you click 1 time, then capture photo, and then come in video mode. If we click this button, then video will start. Okay. And if you want to stop save, then you can click here. From here also we can do. So if you click, then video will be saved. So this button is used for clicking photo as well as to start video and to save video, to stop video. So guys, next I'll check face tracking. Okay, so let's go. So guys, this is face tracking. Okay. Tripod stand is given separately, so if I want to use, then I will simply fix like this and then use like this, and then I can use like this also as a stand. So that's it, simple. And this gimbal we can use with big tripod also. This one is a big tripod. We can fix here and use. Okay. We can fix like this. We can simply fix like this and use in big tripod also. This also. This gimbal we can easily keep in our pocket also. We have to fold like this, then it becomes very small. So we can keep like this, and that's it.
Wow, nice.
So guys, it's overall good. If you are a content creator and if you are looking for a low budget, a friendly budget gimbal, then I highly recommend that to buy this M1 3-axis gimbal.
Okay.
So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Hi viewer.
Once more! Once more! Once more!
Shit. Kapsala. This is the result, guys. Look. It's scratching.